What's going on, people? Back today with another video. I'm here, nice sunny weather. Gonna be cleaning the cars today, you see. Let's go. So got the tools here. Use the Karcher wash, good pressure washer, can't complain. It's got the attachments. This is the attachment to basically pressurize and clean the car. This is the foamer. This is really good. You can adjust it as well. And I mean, this car is really dirty, and I'm gonna show you around the car and basically see how dirty it is. Needs to be done. Wow, I'm a car enthusiast now. Cleaning all the wheels. Get all the grime off. You see it? It's all straining off, all the dirt, the grime, the grease from the brake pads. Removing the attachment now. Getting the foamer ready to go.
Homer Simpson and Peter Griffin when they're in their bikinis washing the cars.
Guys, the car is done, finished, finito. I mean, I've done a good job. I've probably saved myself about £25 around this area because, boy, to get an SUV done, boy, it costs a lot of money in it. So thank you for watching. Hope you stay tuned to the next one. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Where are you going, Tash? It looks like now I'm talking to myself.
I know, but I can't watch
Now it looks like I'm talking.